Hello everyone, this is your crazy jewelry lady, and I thought I would come on here today to show you a little bit about how I do inventory. Okay, so all of my jewelry, I have these little bags, different size bags, and I bought the little stickers. Here's my stickers, here's my desk, you're going to see everything. So I have these little stickers that I bought off of Amazon. You can get them from like 1 to 2,000 and then 2,000 to 4,000 or 3,000, something like that. So what I do, and this is, I don't know how to screen share, so I'm going to show you how I do it. Here is where I am taking my pictures. I have a black backdrop right here, and I have a black mannequin and like a burlap mannequin. And so what I do is I post and I'll put the jewelry in the bag, and then that bag, that little bag, goes into the big bag like this. So let me show you my spreadsheet. Okay, so here's my spreadsheet that I downloaded from Mogi Beth. And if you can see, there's the numbers I just told you. The 2795 on the first one would be the little bag, and it goes inside the 142. It'd be a vintage red beaded necklace, smooth with flat beads. The cost of goods is $1, the day I listed it, and the price I listed it for. Now, once it sells, you go down here. I'm going to show you. You go down here to like August, and those are my sales for August. And it'll let you click Mercari, Poshmark, and Mogi Beth has got someone that's helping her, and whoever made this already has all the, what do you call that? Oh my goodness, program, or what do you call it? Into here, he's got it programmed with the right functions so it automatically calculates the earnings, the gross, the margins, and then those are my inventory, but I didn't. It even tells you how many days it was listed. So that's how I do my inventory. I put it in a little bag. The little bag goes into a big bag, and then I just keep these right here by my desk. And let me show you. Okay, now you see the little numbers? It says 3, 4, 5, 6 over there by the cost of goods. I go over here, and I'm going to open this up because I do not know how to screen share, but I do want to start going live. Okay, so let's open up this one. So open up this listing, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Come on. Okay, so there's my listing, and if you want to know what to put for how much you paid, I just put 777 on all of mine because I have no idea. And really, I don't know how much I give for each of these. I just put $1 unless I know, because a lot of mine come in jewelry things, and so I really don't know what I gave for it. Okay, so, but if you'll come here to my description, let me see, description. Beautiful vintage long glass beaded necklace, multicolor variety of beads. But they're actually like, I don't know, it's really amazing. See where it says 0641? That's the little bag it's in. And it's inside the 0142, the big bag I have. And the number 10 correlates with, let me get back up here, correlates with that number. See, number 10 would be the cost of goods, the date listed, the date sold, the price listed, and all of that is right there. Now, that's my August inventory, which is weird. Okay, so this is the inventory that I have. And there it is, number 10, 06410142. But I have no idea why I have it in my August sales. Number 10 should not be, no, never mind. I just messed up. This is just my August sales. I don't have to worry about all those numbers and stuff here. What I do Sorry if I confused you. I put that correlating number in red beside it, where it was on, like I sold a Betsy Johnson skeleton necklace, and I had it, sold it on Mercari this morning, and its number was on my spreadsheet, 132. I don't have to put all the other numbers in there. I sold it for $25. I gave $1 for it, and it sold within a day, and my earnings are $21.48. My gross after they take out the dollar and all of the fees is $20.48, which does not, yes it does, okay. $20.48, that's, okay, the earnings would be after the Poshmark 20% fee, and then the $20.48 is after my cost of goods. So, this is what I've been working on, and then you can go down here to your stats, and it actually tells you my earnings for August. See, it's got my July, my August, my September. So anyhow, my sales for this month, I haven't really been working on all of this, is 117. 96 is what I made after the fees. 90 is my profit on probably, I don't know how many things I've sold. I haven't sold that many. So $90 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. So, you know, my sold prices are 14, 20, 20, 10, 6. Just all depends. So anyhow, I hope this helps you with your understanding how you can organize your stuff. And what I've been working on is I have been working on necklaces, so that I can, you know, sit right here and do necklaces. I just turn around. But back here, my husband's got a gun case back there. I don't want to show you all that. But back here is my mess. Yep, I do have a mess. There's my printer, and there's my Presidium checker that I cannot get to calibrate today. All right, well, I hope this was good. I'm going to try to put on one video a day. I know that I'm not showing myself, but kind of wanted to show you what I've been working on and how it's going to help me keep up. Now, I have what they call List Perfectly, and I can do a whole program on that as well one day, but I have a thing called List Perfectly, and I don't know how I got logged out of it, but I guess I did. And it, let me see what it does. Anyhow, here it is. List Perfectly allows me, once I put everything on Poshmark, okay, then my Poshmark, let me see. I'll show you this while I'm here. Maybe I don't bore you. Okay, my Poshmark has these things on them. Hope I didn't get logged out of List Perfectly. But List Perfectly, when you have it logged in, it'll have, see these little things right here on this? I just click that, and it'll open up a page, and I can say, okay, I want this on Mercari, eBay, Etsy, Dbop, whatever I want to put it on. But that's what List Perfectly looks like. It's those arrows pointing to the right, and I'll show you how my listings look. I like uniform listings, but so that's what I've been working on. See, getting all my listings to look uniform. I've been working on necklaces since last night, and it shows it close up, and you can see my List Perfectly arrows. And these are the things I showed y'all the other day on the last video. I showed you some of my bric-a-brac stuff that I'm selling. All right, well, this is Penny, the crazy jewelry lady, and I hope that you learn from this video. If you want me to do more videos like this to show you, I honestly just really want to stick to doing just jewelry. I live in a small space with a bunch of kids and daughter-in-laws, and got babies coming, and so, you know, taking up more room with inventory with clothing doesn't make sense to me. Plus, I am doing pretty good, and I'm just sitting here at my desk. This needs painted. Don't look at my dirty desk. But I'm just sitting here at my desk, and I don't have to get up and break my back. All right, until next time, go make a profit.